Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to number and Roman pages in Microsoft Word. So how to number and Roman pages in Microsoft Word? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, position the cursor down on the first page. Then double-click. Tap the page number on the top left of the screen. Then a menu of options will appear. For example, I will choose Bottom Margins. Then select the desired position. The page number has been successfully created. It can be seen below the page. Second, when you want to change the page to Roman. How to? Tap the page number on the top left of the screen. After that, tap Format Page Number. And change the number format to Roman. And tap OK. Here the page number has changed to Roman. However, if you want to change the first page to Roman and page 2 and so on to numbers, position the cursor towards the earliest text on the second page. Then press Delete. Then tap the Layout menu. Tap the Break menu. And select Next Page. Next, position the cursor down on the second page. Then click 2 times. Tap the page number on the top left of the screen. After that, tap Format Page Number. And change the number format to numbers. And tap OK. Here the second page number has changed to numbers and the second page to Roman. So that's it. Tutorial how to number and Roman pages in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.